In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a HoneyBook account. To get started, open the HoneyBook website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the official site so you can safely create your account and access the correct sign-up page. Once the home page loads, look for a button such as Start Free Trial, Get Started, or Sign Up. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on what page you're viewing, but each of these options will take you into the account creation process. Go ahead and click the Sign Up button you see. Next, enter your email address in the field provided. Be sure to use an email address that you have access to, since you may need it later for verification and future account access. After that, create a password for your account. Choose something secure that you can remember easily, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if the platform allows it. When you're ready, click Continue to move forward. You'll then be asked to enter your first and last name. Fill those in carefully, as this information may be used to personalize your account and identify you within the platform. After that, enter your business name. If you're creating the account for your company or brand, use the name you want associated with your HoneyBook profile. If prompted, select your business category from the available options. This helps HoneyBook tailor the experience to the kind of work you do. Before creating the account, take a moment to review the information you've entered. Double-check your email address, your name, and your business details to make sure everything looks correct. If the platform requires it, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. It's always a good idea to read through those terms so you understand the basics of how the service works. Now click Create Account. At this point, HoneyBook may ask you to verify your email address. If that prompt appears, open your inbox, look for the verification email, and follow the instructions inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder as well. Once your email is verified, sign in to your new HoneyBook account using the credentials you just created. From there, complete the initial account setup process. This may include adding basic business details or answering a few onboarding questions so the platform can prepare your workspace. That's it. Your HoneyBook account is now set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.